Dipika, Dipti. Dada Shalabh. Sanaya, today just want to ask, I don't get sleep at all at night. Is it better to do meditation before I sleep?
Yes, 100%. Meditation, you don't have to ask only.
Yeah. Anytime. It's an
Anytime.
anytime pill.
Yeah, ATM, that's what I call it, ATM. I call it anytime meditation. I call
Yeah,
it
yeah, that's
ATM.
a lovely one. Even I'm going to use.
Yeah.
I'm going to steal it. I'm going to use it. We've got Angie saying, Smita ma'am, does having a deja vu experience indicate that the soul
Huh.
had an astral experience?
Uh, uh, it starts. Having a deja vu, uh, it is connected to some past life experience of yours. A deja vu. Deja vu means you have come here before, seen this before, experienced this particular scenario earlier. That's a deja vu meaning. So that is a trigger of some past life. It's not of this life. It's a trigger of some past life that you, when you go to a place and you feel you've come here earlier, you know where
Yeah,
this room is, you know who stayed here. So that's a deja vu. It's a past life trigger. So it sometimes helps you when you do a past life regression. This sort of a thing comes up, or if you're just visiting a place, this sort of a thing comes up. But if don't dwell in it too much if it's not contributing to you. Okay, you feel you've been here before and you've seen this place before. Leave it at that. If it is not going to contribute to you, otherwise don't make things difficult and complicated in life. If it is
correct.
meant, if it is important, go into it, dwell into it. Otherwise उसके बारे में सोचते रहोगे तो बहुत सारी चीजें जो होती है लाइफ में उसको इग्नोर करोगे. So it's
Correct.
not if it's not going to be of any contribution, it doesn't matter. Okay, you just feel okay, I've been here before, fine, so good, great.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, we've got wayfaring lobsters. I don't know why I call my account Sushma Gaikwad. I should have had these lovely, lovely names. Spiritual baby, wayfaring lobsters. I'm loving it. I'm getting so inspired by these. Are depressions and panic attacks related to this too? That's imbalance in chakras? Absolutely. I'm also saying yes.
Yes, absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. We
Uh,
spoken of it
yeah.
about it many times.
So Kanthil, oh Kanthil, my dearest, one of my dearest friends, Reema Kanthil, Kanthil is here. He said, why don't you make creatives and do some promotions? Actually, Kanthil, we were not going to be doing today. And we normally do this. We normally let's go live. And because there were questions to answer and then we could not let anybody down. So that's why this has been more impromptu. So Kanthil is asking, has it also got to do with a parallel universe theory?
That's what they say, that there is a parallel universe. That's what they say, that whatever things we are experiencing, they've already experienced them in the parallel universe. It has already happened somewhere in some part of the universe. But for me, I will not say anything for sure till I have experienced it. I have
Yeah.
not experienced the parallel universe, so I will not talk about it. Though people do say, if you read on the YouTube and all that, they say there is a parallel universe. No, I would say, of course, there must be because the science is always finding out something new. But I have not experienced, so I can't talk about it on this platform. I don't want to talk of anything which I have not experienced. Something which I know of and which I have experienced is something which I can talk about. So
Yeah, and
we
because the
don't know whether to
theories, so
believe
we
in this
do.
theory or not. Yeah, we don't know
So
whether to believe in this
I
theory or not.
so one can't experience the parallel universe. That's true. We can't. Yet, I'll tell you, there is this one very astounding experience I had, Smita and Kanthil, and that was a very dear friend of mine. She passed away many many years ago, and she passed away. And I was very distraught. And after a few months, I dreamt that she's coming. She's waking me up. We both get up, we go to Mitibai College, we go eat something, Falana Dimkara, very long story short. Then we go and we wake up another friend. She gets up. We all three go, we hang out in college. Then they say, listen, we'll drop you. So my friend Renu, she tells me, listen, I've only got till 6 o'clock. After that, you will not see me. I'm going. And I was feeling very sad. So she and Minnie, both of them dropped me off. And then In the next day, I woke up in the morning and I ran to college to tell that other friend of mine that, you know what, Renu came in my dreams, Renu came in my dreams. And from the opposite end, Smita and Kanthal, Minnie was running towards me and saying, you know what, Renu came in my dreams. I'm getting goose flesh when I tell you this. Do you know that Minnie recounted exactly the same dream from the time we picked her up to the time they dropped me, and then she told me what they did after they dropped me. So it was a total astral experience, total astral travel that I have experienced.
Yeah, that's an astral travel. That's a, that
Correct.
the spirit or the soul is trying to get in touch with you and gets in touch with you, and you do leave your astral body. That has happened to me.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
leave your physical
But
body and you
parallel
have an
universe,
astral
we have no
body.
clue.
Yeah,
Yeah.
parallel
But
universe I don't know about. This
we
I
also,
know. This I've experienced also.
yeah,
Yeah.
and this we don't, what we, yeah, we experience, we can say. There is one next
Yeah.
question, spiritual baby. How do we deal with, how do we deal with if our close ones are bitching about us by our back? And Wayfaring Lobster says, how do I use, oh Jesus, how do I use it? Okay, I will come to Wayfaring first. How do we deal
Hmm.
with the bitching behind our back?
See, people are going to talk. Okay. Now there may be, you may know that somebody's talking bad about you behind your back. You may not know. Sometimes you don't know. Just now also there may be so many people talking behind our backs. Now you can't stop all that. You've got to learn to ignore. Because if you get into all that, it's going to upset you. So do you want to get upset? Is the question. Do you want to get upset? If you don't want to get upset, certain things you just got to ignore. There are everybody's
True.
talking about behind everybody's back at some point in time, and you can't keep people's mouths shut. You rise above that. It's the best thing is for you to do is to rise above that and don't get into this. If somebody's talking, people spoke of Sai Baba, people spoke of Jesus Christ, people criticize God. हम लोग क्या है? What are we? Who are we? So people are going to talk about it. So, I mean, don't get so bogged down and bothered about what people are talking. You have to ask yourself, are you like that? If somebody is bitching about you, saying that, oh,
Yeah.
she's a very wicked person. So, you have to ask yourself, are you really? If you're not, let us say, let us say whatever. जाने तो बोलो. मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? She feels I'm a wicked person. Let her think I am not. तो अपने आप को पूछो ना.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So again,
So I think it is, yeah, don't measure yourself, dear, by what people say. It's not a measure of us at all. Be very clear
definitely
about
not.
who
You are
you are.
something
Yeah,
so different. And one thing I don't
yeah,
understand, अगर 10 लोग आपको बुरा बोलते हैं, 10 लोग you start believing. अगर 10 लोग आपको अच्छा बोलते हैं, you say, oh really, am I so good? Why can't you take that
correct.
as a
Yeah,
compliment and say, oh
yeah.
wow, 10 people are saying I'm good. But 10 people say you're bad, you believe in that. Why? Isn't
So
it? Isn't
straight
that what
talk,
we do?
guys. Straight talk. Straight talk. Straight talk. Absolutely. Okay, there's two more questions I really want to answer. One question went on top, so I'm doing the recent one, and I'm going to catch that because that is about somebody's senior, elderly mom. Okay, this one, let me ask you while I'm surfing that. One of my
Yeah.
ex-friend's mother passed away a year ago, and her mom comes in her dreams. What's the reason behind this?
The mom must be wanting a closure. The mom is
Okay.
giving probably signs that she needs to connect, and the soul needs to move on. Minute we hold on to the souls and we don't allow them to move on. So closure is very essential, very necessary. And more all almost all souls give signs, but we are not sensitive enough to understand the signs. They either come in dreams or the somewhere or the other you feel, oh, I just felt so and so energy just passed. You know, you feel all those kind of things. Then there could be feathers. I don't know. There are various ways how souls give signs that I want to connect to you because they need a closure. They need a closure
Correct.
because they need to move on. We are holding on to them, hanging on to them. One thing we have to
Correct.
understand, once the soul has left the physical body, there is no way, however you may love that child, the person, your loved one, they ain't coming back. That is not the law of the nature. So I understand it's a very painful thing, and because it's painful, you need closure here and there. So souls always give signs in such a way,
Correct.
and you need to have a closure. So one of the ways is to do auto writing. If you know any other way, do that, but get a closure.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Another
And by
one.
the way, I
Thank
would
you,
like to
Suma.
tell people here, Sushma, I never
Yeah.
did auto writing sessions. I always needed a person to be in front of me, but I have started doing it on Zoom and it has worked. So I said, okay, now I can do it on Zoom also. Because in this
Oh,
lockup, I
superb.
can't just
Okay.
keep
So you can.
people.
So
Yeah.
you can
I
definitely
can do
ask
it.
her
So
to
they can,
connect. Ask her to connect.
yeah.
Yeah, with Smita ji, and she will answer. Smita ji doesn't even roll off my tongue, you tease. Okay. I'm like, who am I calling? Oh, I'm calling you, Smita ji. Okay. This is a very good question by Smita. Her name is Smita
Yeah.
8695. My mother is 62 years old and she has been having a lot of mood swings. She's doing meditation, but I don't know whether it's affecting her much. She gets scared easily and she's getting hyper. What to do?
Yeah, these are generally these ladies' problems, like the menopausal must have extended over to that thing, whatever. But honestly, I hate to repeat it over and over again. The chakra meditation will help you out of all
Yeah,
these things.
yeah,
All these. 90% of your issues, whatever you're dealing with in life, will be taken care of by the chakras. Just do it. Just do it and see what it is. Just when
yeah.
you and I told them
I,
right in the first section, I told them keep saying thank you. You know, we gave them some homework to do. Nobody has come back and told us, okay, we did it and what we are feeling about it. No responses yet. So now at least do the chakra meditation and tell me what you feel. So that makes
yeah,
it's very important that you come back and tell us, okay, I did it, but I didn't feel good, or I felt good, or I felt whatever. It's good to get a feedback,
perfect.
honest one. Yeah.
Okay. Pranik Dipti says, Smita ji, we are eager to join your